Auto Bagger G60D is a machine developed special for e-commerce express packaging industry, which will help customers improve the speed and accuracy of their online order fulfillment and e-commerce packaging while saving money. Now briefly introduce the machine operation process. First, scanning the barcode. Second, printing the express sheet. Third, labeling under express bag. Fourth, putting the product into the bag. Fifth, auto sealing the bag. Sixth, conveyor belt sending the bag out. What's more, the machine can be connected with ERP or WMS or other systems. Also can be conveyor belt to form an assembly line according to customers' needs. In regard to machine's performance, the machine is safe to operate, simple to use via touch screen, stable speed up to 600 to 900 bags per hour, only 1.5 square meter footprint, only one worker to operate, reducing unnecessary labor.